Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Autumn Leaves, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and then some stamps and dies. So the one side of this, there's 2 pages obviously, and the one side of this I kept very, very simple. I'm just using that pattern paper that looks like a lot of frames of some sort, and I felt that was enough of a pattern. It was a strong pattern, and so I didn't want to add anything to that page. I just left it as it is. It could be a cut apart paper, but I just wanted to use it as a full pattern paper, just like that. And then I'm basically focusing on the other page, which has this paper strip with a pattern paper there, and then there's this ribbon that will go across the page there, and I will glue it at the back side because I will glue the back sides of each page together with the binding in between. That's how I'm planning to put the pages together. So here I'm just getting ready to glue the ribbon down, and sometimes it just is doesn't want to do it right away, and then I'm checking that the ribbon is straight on the page before I then glue the other side of the ribbon down. So I'm holding it in place so that the ribbon will be straight across the page, and so that gives a little bit of a kind of like a border to this. And then I have this this frame, and I'm using the digital version of this, so I'm just clipping. I create a template for myself, and I just clip the papers from the digital collection to the template that I create, and then I just print and cut things. And for the more intricate patterns or elements like this frame, which has a scalloped border, I printed this one on actual cardstock, thick cardstock, and then I had my silhouette print and cut it. And if you want to know how I get perfect print and cuts pretty much every time, you can watch the video tutorial on how I do perfect print and cuts with the silhouette. There are official ways to do it, but I do it very much the unofficial way, which I find works much better than the recommendations that come with the machine. So anyway, I'm always happy with the way that my print and cuts turn out. And so here I have some die cut leaves, and then some acorns, I think, and then another embellishment piece from the collection. This is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.